How to delete unwanted parts of a video in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Click on New Project and simply add your video. After you have done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply swipe to the left to see where you want unwanted part. And where you want it, simply add your white line and then at the bottom click on edit. Click on split. After you have pressed on split, now select the end part where you don't want it. Add your white line and split it again. Then select the middle part and at the bottom scroll to the left and click on delete. And your unwanted part will be deleted. This is how to delete unwanted parts of a video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.